Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today 21st September 2024 we have given some important updates for the options trading. And for those who have recently subscribed may not be knowing how to use our indicator efficiently. So let me explain you very clearly and very quickly how to use our MST iCore 2.0 for options trading as well as in different markets. Most of you are asking whether this indicator is useful in NSE market, MCX market, BSE market, options market, forex market and all. I will say in one word, it is applicable for all the markets. The one thing is you have to practice. Once you practice, you can apply the same logic in all the markets, all types of market across the globe. Now, post your subscription to our indicator will be added to your TradingView account. How to access it? Go to the indicator options. Here I am just keeping my cursor on it. This is the place where the indicators will be available. Just give a click on it. After that you will be finding 5 to 6 options here. That is called favorites, personal, technicals, financial, community and invite only. Here you directly come down to invite only. There you will be finding our indicator has been added to your account. So that is MST iCore 2.0 easy version 11/10/2024. So this is the futuristic dates we have given. So that up to that we will be giving some more updates if required. And this will be iTrend 2.0. So this is given only to those people who have taken our lifetime subscription without any discount. Now just give a click on the star button. Here also star button. That will be added to your favorite list. Once it is added to favorite list, just give one click on it. So I will explain you only iCore 2.0 now. So now you see our indicator has been added to your list. Now if you notice here, go to the settings. Since we are trading in Bank Nifty, the range will be very high. See here 394 is the entry, 514 is the stop loss. So the range is around 110 points. 110 points we cannot afford if we lose in one trade. So that is why we have to reduce the stop loss to tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. And next one, since market has been open below the MGR, we have to wait either to market reach the buy zone, the bottom side first line. Bottom side first line is the buy entry, the second line is the SL for the first buy. If SL hit, the second line will become the second sell and the first line will become the SL for the second sell. Okay. Similarly here the top zone first line will be the first sell and the second line will be the stop loss for the first sell. If SL hit, we have to reverse the trade. The second line will become the entry point, that is second buy entry point, and the first line will become the SL of the second buy. Okay, vice versa. So now I will just replay the market using the bar replay option. Once the market has been opened, we will be getting like this. See, market has opened. Immediately we got top side 2 lines formed, bottom side 2 lines forms. What does it mean? So if the market is coming down to first buy zone, here this zone, then we have to take the corresponding call option by 52,900 call option or 53,000 call option. So go to that another tab, take one more Bank Nifty options. There you go and type either 53,900 or 53,000 call option. Clear? Now I have taken the 53,000 call option. Here if you see, no indicator is added. Similarly, go to the indicator option, go to the favorite or invite only, add our indicator iCore 2.0. That's all. Now if you notice here, the stop loss is just 1 or 2 points because we have kept in tiny. So that is why I have given the extra update in the option, the stop loss selection, big 4, big 5, big 6 and all. So now we have to keep minimum 40 points, 30 to 40 points stop loss, so that we will be getting some profit. Clear now? This is the 53,000 call option. Based on this entry only, yesterday in the morning itself I have given the 53,000 call option buy entry at to 400. Okay, but the low made was 385 and the high made was around 747 high made. So we have got very good profit from 400 to 750, around 350 points yesterday we got the profit. How did I give? I will explain you that also. Now coming back to this entry. So let us see what before that I have added 53,900 call option here. Also we have to add this one 53,400 call put option, because if the market is going to top side we have to buy put option. If the market is coming down we have to buy call option. If the market is going up we have to buy put option. So now I will take 53,400 put option. Clear now? I am taking at the money. If you want, you can take in the money. Don't go for the out of the money. If you want to trade in out of the money, better you can trade with the midpoint. The MGR point is there. MGR point where it is here. 53,100 call option and 53,200 put option you can trade based on this MGR midpoint. So now this is 53,400 put option I have taken. Here if you see there will be no indicator added. Once again go to the indicator settings and select the favorite. If you have already added to favorite, that's all, our indicator will be added. Here also same thing you can notice. Here the stop loss is very small because it is tiny. Go to the indicator settings, add big 4 SL and big 4 targets. Now if you notice, come back to indicator settings. Here exactly our sell entry got activated. Our sell entry got activated, right? Now we have to go to the put option, 53,400 put option, and the buy entry is 316 exact low has been touched here, and here we have bought the buy entry, buy call. Go to the settings, enable the first buy targets, and you can see whether target has been hit or not. See here, target perfectly met. So how many profits we have got? 360 into 360, 45 points profit you have got. So we are telling you to book only 40 points initially. Later you can revise the stop loss and you can wait for the another target. So this is the basic settings we are following for the options trading. And one more tricks I have. What is the another trick is, whenever market, when it is coming and touching here, you look at the previous candles. If the candles are very big, having big body rather than big wick, it means the strength of the bullish is more. So that's why we have added one extra thing in the market type, where it is entry type. So here I have given quick, default, delay and late. So by default it will be in the default only. Quick means suppose if you are missing the entry in 1 or 2 points, so that will be avoided here. Delay means it will give a little extended level, like in kabaddi. Always I say one game, that is the kabaddi. So if we see the entry will be little late. So exactly it has come down here, it has reached the exact entry here, then we are getting the entry. So now 316 entry, here little more up and we have got the target. Then second buy activated. So in second buy what we can take? We can take 53,000 call option or the corresponding value 53,400 call option also you can take. So go to the settings, 53,400 call option. 53,400 call option you can take and see the accuracy. Exactly here buy activated and all the targets hit. Here second buy activated, all the targets hit. We are not talking about the sell, we are not going to sell, we are going to only buy. Okay, don't talk about the sell. Here at what time it has been activated here? Here also you can say no, 10:35. Here 10:35 it is getting activated here. Then we have to wait for the market to reach reversal. Here only it got reversed 12 o'clock and we have got the profit. And another technique what we have here, go to the settings And if you miss the morning trade, or if you are a working professional, you cannot trade from the morning, then you have another option. Go to the settings. During the lunch time you can trade. Go to the select market type, and here you can take noon option. And if you see here perfectly, we have got our sell entry got activated, that is 53,800. What time? Here you can notice 12:45. Go here and take your put option. This is the call option. This is also call option. So I will take put option 53,800 put option. So here this is the entry at 135 something, and perfectly buy got activated and targets hit. Okay, 53,700 we are supposed to take. I have taken 800. That is why the movement is very less. Whenever you go out of the money, the movement will be very less. Here we got two targets hit. See, there is a difference between in the money and the out of the money, or at the money. Here at 130 buy activated, two targets has been hit. Okay, now here what happens? Here perfect entry we have got, and here what we are supposed to do? Here we should not take the entry, because if buy activated there is no sell, if sell activated there is no buy unless SL hit. Only if SL hit we have to go for the reversal entry, otherwise you have to keep quiet. Clear? Okay. Now one more thing, people are asking whether this is applicable for MCX. Yes, of course. I will explain you about the evening market. I have explained you about morning market, default market, noon market, even night market also. Now I will explain you about the morning market. The evening market. Go to the settings, give reset, and select the evening. And here if you notice, in crude oil minimum we have to keep 30 point stop loss, so that we can get some profit, otherwise the fluctuation will be very more. So keep in small stop loss and keep in small target. And you see what has happened. I just replay the market. If the market is coming down to 5898, we will be buying. If the market is going to 597071, we will be selling. You can either take futures direct value, or you can take the corresponding options. Buy is not activated, sell also not activated. Now buy activated. Look at the low. The low made is 5897 and our entry is 5898. Okay, exactly our buy entry got activated and it is going into a reverse back. First target hit, it is going to touch our sell zone. Here what we can do, we don't have to take the sell entry because we say only one trade per day. But if you want to take extra risk, that is up to you. The stop loss remains the same. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry to recover your loss and be in profit for the day. That is the same logic applicable in all the scenario. So now if you notice how perfectly it is coming down and touching our zone, and it is getting reversed, and it is going and touching our sell zone, and exactly it is getting reversed from there. How it is possible? It is only possible because of our MSD iCore 2.0 advanced premium tool. So hope this point is very clear. If you want me to explain all other scripts, it keeps on going because all the scripts are giving equal importance, equal profit ratio, equal accuracy. So you don't have to trade in all the script which is available in the market. You take any one script and you practice that script and become an expert in that script and try to get money from that script. That is enough. And what is the another options we have given here? These all existing. First buy, first sell. This is the basic setting. Then if you want to know the reversal method in higher time frame like monthly, 2 month, 3 month, 6 months, 12 month and all, so this can be used for stocks as well as for high moving scripts like BANKNIFTY, other things. And this is top midpoint, first sell and second buy midpoint. This is first buy and second sell midpoint. This is first DTP is first sell and second buy midpoint, and this is first buy and second sell midpoint. So like this you can take. I trend means intraday trend and P trend means positional trend. And we have given EMA along with the super trend. If you want, you can use them. This is Heikin-Ashi candles, which will indicate to you wherever open equal to high occurs in Heikin-Ashi, that will be labeled here. This is open equal to low. If more open equal to high are there, that is sell. If open equal to lows are there, that is buy, bullish entry. So likewise you can utilize different options we have given here. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. If you have any doubts, please watch this video again and again and again. Now we are giving very huge discount for the existing and new customers to get them into lifetime mode. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.